Hello Sushi Lovers family, Namaste and greeting from Sushi Man Santosh. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make perfect and beautiful sushi combo with different sushi rolls, nigiri, gunkan, sashimi and also fried sushi with simple and easy sushi decoration ideas. So if you are new in my YouTube channel, let's be family, do subscribe for more videos about sushi. Okay, first of all, I will make futomaki. It's not a futomaki, but it's a Nori Maki sushi roll. Nori Maki means using 2/3 of nori. That means I'm using here 75% of the whole seaweed and gonna use more and less 120 grams sushi rice. For filling, I love to use avocado and cucumber, so our sushi roll will be creamy, fresh, crunchy, and I will place half portion salmon and half portion tuna. Now I'll roll it very carefully with help of the bamboo mat and will do a little press so my Nori Maki sushi roll will be closed properly and will be a perfect shape. Now time to make Uramaki salmons. Also we can call it California salmon sushi roll. For inside out sushi roll, I love to use max 100 grams sushi rice, and here you can see I'm placing sushi rice little more than seaweed, so it will be really easy to closing time and it will help to close very well. For inside, I'm gonna use half portion mango and rest pineapple, so our chumaki, also called uramaki, will be very soft and sweet. Especially in fusion sushi, we love to use different kinds of sweet fruits. Let's roll it very carefully, very smoothly, and give little squeeze to make perfect shape. Now here I am going to make another inside out sushi roll, another California sushi rolls. For filling I will use again avocado because avocado is my favorite, and cucumber. Cucumber will give the freshness. Also I love to toss by skin of green lemon, so the textures and flavor will be really extra. With cucumber I'm gonna use cooked nigiri grade ebi. And with avocado I will place deep fried breaded nobashi. If you want to see how to make that kinds of breaded nobashi, you can visit my YouTube channels for more videos. Now let's roll it very gently and give perfect shape. Now time to make tekkamaaki. Tekkamaaki means the hosomaki of tuna, and kappamaki means the hosomaki sushi roll with the cucumber. Also we can easily say hosomaki. Hosomaki means thin sushi roll which contains only one ingredient. So here I am going to use hosomaki cucumber and tuna, half of. Also if you want to make a more crunchy and extra level of aroma, we can use the toasted sesame seeds. At last but not least, I will make no rice sushi roll. That is my best sushi roll, and I love to use that kind of sushi roll in every fillet. And I'm gonna use salmon belly part, slice of avocado, a little spring onion, it's called also onion chips. And to make colorful, I love to use black tobacco. The tobacco means the roe from flying fish. Now roll it just with your hands and give little squeeze, and I'll mash my sushi rice on top of the nori, so it will sticky and gonna close properly. Now I'm going to manage my sushi plate to make beautiful platter, small to big. I always think sashimi is the king, To make beautiful fries, always try to make grainy. So I'm using here cucumber fan for sushi and sashimi decorations. If you want to see how to cut cucumber fan for sushi and sashimi decoration, you can visit my YouTube, and I have lots of video about it. Now time to cut different types of sushi rolls. I want to make different sushi rolls, so I will place salmon belly neta on the top of the uramaki, cucumber and cooked ebi, and gonna cut. Then I will place on my sushi combo. Let's see. So let's cut another Uramaki California with the breaded nobashi and Nori Maki salmon and avocado and place on the sushi plate. That is the Uramaki salmon with mango and pineapple. I'll use white sesame seeds on the top of the sushi rolls and fine chopped spring onion, so the white sesame seeds will give the extra level of crunchiness and aroma, and the fine spring onion will give the very good looks for the eyes. Now time to cut tekkemaki and kappamaki, hosomaki sushi roll with tuna and cucumber. It's all my sushi lovers is loving deep fried sushi roll. Okay, let's place salmon sashimi, and now I'll cut tuna sashimi. The meaning of sashimi is the slice of raw fish. Also, I will place Nori sushi roll. Now I will use nigiri, which I already made. It's gunkan salmon. Also, I have the gunkan cucumber also. It's a good saketoro, fatty belly part of salmon. Now I'm gonna place with sashimi. For salmon and cucumber gunkans, I am using here chopped salmon. For rest cucumber gunkan, I'll use the Philadelphia. Also, in our language, we call the cream cheese. For sushi decoration ideas, I love to use green lemons and carrot sakura flower. Also, I'm using here black and red tobacco for the nigiri sushi. It's Philadelphia and strawberry with spring onion and sesame seeds. For fried sushi, I am gonna use sweet chili, agridos, spring onion and sesame seeds. That's it. Here is my beautiful sushi combo with a variety of sushi rolls and sashimi. It's really good, isn't it? What do you think? Let's comment please, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos about sushi. I hope after watching this video you will get pretty knowledge about simple sushi recipe, and you will learn how to make beautiful sushi platter, and also you will try to make it at your home. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a good day.